Hey, if somebody were to ask you, hey, can you edit without editing? The answer is yes, you can. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways you can edit without editing. Hey there, I'm Kevin with Kevin Kolbe Media, helping you make an impact in the world with online video. If that sounds like something you're interested in, consider subscribing. So what prompted this was a message in a Facebook group the other day where a guy, he needed something to edit, but he didn't really want to edit it, and he didn't know how to edit, and he thought he'd hire somebody. And it was like, no, don't pay anything. So I came up with 3 ways you can edit without editing. Number 1, record it live to tape. Now, what does that mean exactly? Well, it's getting in the mindset as you're taping it, it's as if you're going live. Because if you were going live, in the middle of it, you couldn't say, hey, let's do a second take. Everybody would see it. So if you go into it as if you were live, it makes you think about your beginning and your middle and your end. And if you mess up, you mess up. So that's why I call it going live to tape. Number 2, live stream. Yeah, now this is the opposite of live to tape. This is actually live to live. The beauty of live streaming is when you're done, it's done. Now, you still need to kind of know how you're starting and where you're going and how you're ending, but that way there's no editing to do. And especially if you live stream directly to YouTube or even Facebook, when you're done, it's done. And number 3, use QuickTime on your computer or even just straight on your phone. Again, kind of get in that mentality of doing it all in one take and you're done. Now, if you're wondering how to shoot and record on QuickTime, well, you're in luck. I did a video on that, and I'll put a link to that down in the description. So if you do either way, maybe you just need to trim a little at the head or the tail. Now, some people will say, wait a minute, that's editing. Yeah, I call it trimming, but I'm not going to argue about that. But again, it allows you just to do it and get it done. So if you're just beginning in editing or you've never edited at all, these are 3 ways you can edit without editing. And really the reason is just to get you producing and get you going, hitting that record button so you can share your vision or your passion or your business on your YouTube channel or wherever you're going to post video. So if this helped you at all in any way, how about a thumbs up? I'd appreciate that, and it lets me know it's helping. Remember, the best way to make an impact in the world is make video. Speaking of, I'll see you in the next video.
Put the needle on the record.